Hello guys, today I'm gonna cook a sinigang pork. No, not sinigang. It's a prawns. Yeah, I'm thinking of pork, but my main ingredients is prawns, banana prawns. I'm gonna cook a sinigang. Yeah, here's my ingredients. I only got few ingredients because I haven't go in the market yet. I don't have okra or yeah, I think okra is the missing one, but I only cook what I have in here, which is this one, the upo, which is bottle gourd in English because it's called elongated shape. That's right. And this one need to have garlic, onions, tomato, ginger, and this one is the lemongrass that I have, and this one is spinach. I just use this one because I feel like to have green leaves for my sinigang and the green beans. Yeah, and also I got this eggplant as well. I'm gonna also put this eggplant that my friend Cecil gave to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut this one into a small piece, and I will mix this one too, because in one of the ingredients in sinigang I think there is also an eggplant, so I will mix this one too. Now I'm gonna put this stove on into medium heat. Yeah, and put oil when it's hot. When the pan is hot or the wok hot, then we put the garlic next. Now I think it's getting hot. Okay, oil is there now. So when it's become, so I just put the garlic and the oil that I put before. There, cook the garlic, then till it's a bit brown, and then add this ginger. I like to put this one next, so it makes aroma quickly so that the flavor. The flavor release. That's nice now. That's nice. Now I'm going to add this onion. Now when it's ready, you can add this one. Just add this one together now. sinigang. No, sinigang sampalok. And cover it. No, that's it. Need to mix. Next, I'm gonna put some pepper and salt to taste. Very yummy. This one, spinach. Just have a bit. Too much. It's done. And my rice. Yeah. Di ako makakain ng sinigang pag walang rice. Mayroon talagang rice. Yeah, that's right. Alright, this is my sinigang here. I'm gonna taste it. It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy sinigang. And here's the upo. Yum. And my rice. Yeah. Really yummy. My rice. And of course, rice palagi andyan pag may sinigang. There you go. Kainan na. Bye-bye. Hope you like my sinigang. And you hope you like my sinigang, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.